Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can use a green screen on the VN video editing app. So I'm just going to press the plus button here, new project, and I'm just going to select the overlay video just because you won't really see this part. This is just for the size of the video. And then I'm just going to now press the image plus button over here, video or photo, and I'm just going to select the video I want them to be able to see later. It doesn't matter how you size it first because you know what, you'll see. And then I'm just going to press the image with the plus button again, and then I'm going to select the overlay video again, and I'm going to resize that until it fits the screen. Then I'm going to go to the green screen bit, go to chroma, and then select the green part, and you can change the intensity over here, but I wouldn't do too much. As you can see, if I do too much, it'll also select the background bit. It's not perfect, but it is what it is. And I'm just going to press the checkmark button. And the reason why I put this in the background is because I can't resize the background, but I can resize this bit. So I can resize it and I can scale it, and I can also rotate it. And I'm just going to move it where the green screen starts. I'm also just going to delete this part. And okay. Oops. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Oops. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!